Greetings and salutations, Ravage Rider here. Let's talk motorcycle toolkit. Now at this point I believe that most motorcycles come with a toolkit from the factory. My Triumph Bonneville T100 did not, but my Honda CB650F did. There was a little spot underneath the seat that housed the toolkit. I modified under there so I could place a flat tire repair kit. You can see that video up here. In that video I also mentioned that I was going to use this tool roll from Icon. Let's get into it. Here's the Icon tool roll that came with my Advocat backpack. There's a small zippered pocket on the back. Let's see what I have in here. Oh yeah, some single packaged wet naps from hotels and restaurants. Just in case I get dirty hands working on the bike, I can clean up a little. Inside the roll I have a tire pressure gauge, a little LED flashlight, some zip ties, and another LED flashlight. This one has a little magnet on it. This is now the toolkit that came with my Honda CB650F. Inside, an Allen wrench, a handle which I'll get to in a moment, a wrench. I didn't know what this was at first. This is a cable with a protector on it. It's for locking your helmet under the seat. This is the rear suspension wrench. Some more wrenches. $12 mil, 8, 12, 14, 14 and 10. A 22 and 27 millimeter box wrench and a screwdriver with a Phillips and a flat bit. Back to the handle. It fits on the end of the wrenches to provide more leverage. What's this? Ah, a fuse puller. What's nice about the tool roll is that the tools can all easily be seen and accessed. It doesn't really matter where they go in here, just as long as they fit. The little tool pouch, on the other hand, likely wouldn't stand up to too much abuse without falling apart, and you have to empty it each time you need a specific tool. My father and younger brother both ride Harleys, so they'll have Imperial tools for their bikes. If there's something specific that you've always packed in your motorcycle toolkit, please comment below. The more prepared I can be, the better. Well, that's it for this one. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.